But, babe,
back.
I'm not, babe, there ain't no, please.
Put your hands behind your back. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Please, babe.
Stop.
Babe, please. Babe, please. Babe, this is on my probation, please, babe.
It's not her. Stop. It's not.
I love it to death, bro. I'm emotionally drained, bro.
Hey, what's going
My
on?
girl emotionally drained, too.
Okay.
Bro.
What's
I
up?
love her. Huh?
Hey.
No, ain't no problem.
What's going on?
I think that's
your girl?
Yeah, that's my baby, bro.
Okay.
I love her to death. That's
All
my baby, man.
What happened?
So today,
Here,
it ain't no problem.
Yeah, I got you.
So today, we come. She want all her stuff.
Okay.
It's cool if we separate. It's fine. I go away. I go with my mother, but at the same time, this is my baby. This is my girl.
Okay.
We came from a teen concert.
Okay.
Like I just told him, I texted my cousin. My cousin texted me and said my girl was trying to talk to her.
Okay.
Why somebody trying to talk to my girl? This is my baby, bro. This is my little cousin. I don't want to argue,
So
bro.
she texted your cousin. Like,
No, that's what he told me. Like, babe, why is you is you texting my cousin? Like, why is you act like that? The whole time she not. The whole time she not texting my cousin.
Okay.
So as that's going on, I'm still trying to figure out like why she not coming in the room. So I'm like, damn. Now the car right there on the side. That's like it's on the side. And I'm like, damn. So you finna sit in the car? You finna sit in the room? Babe, just talk to me. That's all I want to do is talk to me. That's it. I don't want to argue. I only want to grab you, but I was grabbing. Yeah, I was grabbing. So I was just grabbing like this. Like, babe, talk to me. I don't want to do that. But I just know how my girl is. She's so emotional with baby is, bro. She will be emotional. I just know she about her papa outlet. That's why I said, babe, if you want to do it like this, I'll give you your bag. Cause I got my brother. I go get some air. I go get some space. It's not no problem at all. We got a room here, and my brother got a room down there. It's no problem at all. I just want to get some air. I just hate to see her drain. Every time I see her drain, that shit upset me emotionally. That's all it is. Like, I just came back, bro. I'm trying to relax. I'm trying to enjoy my weekend myself, bro.
I get you. What's your name?
Alright.
Did anything get physical between you two?
Nah, that ain't gonna lie. This ain't shit. Don't even think this is something crazy, bro. Like, this is my baby, bro. I know this is.
That's what I'm.
This is my baby, bro. This is my everything, bro. She's just emotionally drained.
Nothing got physical?
Just, all I can say is I grabbed her like, babe, just talk to me. Just talk to me. I know she emotionally don't want to see me. Okay. She want all her stuff. And I'll give her all her stuff. No
Where's
problem.
her stuff at?
It's in 216 in my room. Yeah.
All right. And where's your ID or address?
I don't have I only got that.
Where's your last posted address?
I ain't know nothing crazy, bro. I play ball. I ain't here. That's my baby. Babe, you good?
So Milton L. Wardlaw?
Yeah.
W-O-R-D-L-O-W?
Yeah.
Okay.
How
How would that come from?
I ain't gonna lie. Like I said, this is earlier.
From what?
Shit. I was with my cousin. I was seeing my mama, nothing on her. Like, it ain't. This is a hoodie that I bought from Champion. This ain't nothing.
Okay. Stay with my partner. Just go talk to her, right? Thanks, man. You said you're willing to leave?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. Now, hi. I'm Officer McTash with Ville Park. You okay? Do you need an ambulance?
No.
Okay. Who is he to you? Who is he to you?
My boyfriend.
Your boy, how long you guys been dating?
Like a few months.
Huh?
Like a few months.
A few months, okay. What happened?
Apparently, I told him that his cousin was trying to talk to me, and he got mad and was arguing at me. The whole ride home, I just wanted to go home and grab my stuff.
Okay.
And he wouldn't let me grab my bag.
Okay. 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 So you guys arguing. Cousin, he thought cousin was texting you to talk. That wasn't the case.
And I kept telling him it wasn't.
Okay. What? Did anything get physical?
He just grabbed me.
Where?
In the room.
Okay. Where?
My neck.
Okay. Did he at any point try to choke you?
A little bit.
Did you ever lose consciousness?
No.
Okay, can I see your neck? Okay. And that's from him? You said? Okay. Alright. Do you need an ambulance?
No, I'm fine.
Did you ever hit him back? Has he ever been arrested against you before?
No.
What do you want done tonight?
I just want to go home.
Okay. So with the signs of injury, from what you're telling me, we're gonna have to do what we have to do, okay? That doesn't mean that you necessarily want him arrested. I don't know if that's the case, but we're gonna have to step in with that, okay? Do you guys live together?
No.
Okay. You live in, where do you live?
I live
Does he know where you live?
Yeah.
Okay, and he lives in?
He lives somewhere. Like, I can't remember the addresses in my phone.
That's fine. Okay, all right. And he's Milton, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and you are, what's her name?
She's Larissa.
Larissa, okay. Do you have a ride coming to get you?
I have my car.
Your car's here?
Yes.
Okay. Have either of you been drinking tonight?
Only a little bit.
Okay.
Once we got in.
Once you got in?
Yeah.
What time did this happen at, would you
I
say?
can't even remember. I didn't have my phone.
Okay, is there anything else in that room?
Yeah.
Who's the room under?
It's under my name.
Okay.
My ID is in there. My clothes are in there.
And did this just happen? You guys came down here then?
Yeah.
Or you came down here?
Yes, I came down here to leave.
Okay, and he followed you? Okay, all right. How many times would you say you grabbed your neck?
I can't even know.
Several? Once? Twice?
I hope you stop.
You don't remember?
Yes.
And you said squeezing you at one point or no? All the times he was grabbing your neck or just the one
It
time?
was like pushing me and then I was trying to leave. And that's when I got dragged.
Did he ever strike you with the open or closed fist?
No.
No? Okay. All right. My partner's going to stick with you. Okay. We're going to have some paperwork to finish with you. Okay. And, when's the last time you said you had a sip of alcohol?
You said what?
When's the last time you had some alcohol?
I don't know. Like 2 hours ago.
Okay. So we're gonna just make sure you're okay to drive too, to get out of here. But even if you want to stay here, he's gonna be coming with us. Okay. All right. Good. So just to get it straight, you guys come here. He's arguing because he thought
Yes,
that his cousin was texting you to talk. You said, nope, that's not the case.
Yes.
Argument ensues. During the course of the argument, he grabs you by the neck, and then you have those injuries. That was from him.
Yes.
Okay. All right, I will be right back. Okay. Am I missing anything?
No.
Finish your mouth. You okay? Okay. I'll be right back, okay? Good?
Did she got her stuff?
Yeah, she's got her stuff. Well, some of it, so.
Yeah, ID stuff.
Okay.
He told the officer nothing physical happened. Then he said this: charge felony battery by strangulation. Florida Statute 784.041. Applying pressure to the neck of another person during the commission of a battery. Injury is not required. Visible marks satisfy the statute. Classification: third-degree felony. Penalty: up to 5 years per count. Classification: dating violence. Florida Statute 741.28. A significant romantic relationship of several months. All statutory factors satisfied. Consequence: mandatory victim advocate referral. Injunction pathway available without a police report. The officer asked where he grabbed her. She answered in one word. The officer asked to see her neck. What he saw removed any remaining discretion. Mandatory arrest. Florida Statute 741.29. When probable cause exists that domestic violence has occurred, the officer shall arrest the primary aggressor. Shall, not may. Zero officer discretion. Visible injury equals probable cause established. She said she did not want him arrested. The officer explained it was not her call. The law had already made the decision. Her preference was noted. And set aside violation of probation. Florida Statute 948.06. Any new criminal arrest, while on felony probation, triggers a mandatory VOP proceeding. The VOP and the new felony sentence run independently. They do not merge. Both must be separately served. He said, "This is all my probation," while officers placed him in handcuffs. That statement confirmed what the booking report was already going to say.
Hey,
Hands behind your back.
hey, I'm not. Hey, no, please.
Put your hands behind your back. Stop. 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 Stop.
Hey, please. Hey, please. Hey, this is not me, babe. Babe. Babe, please talk to them, babe.
Put your 3-1 male in custody.
Hey, please talk to them, babe. Hey, please talk to them, babe. No, talk to her, please. Please. Babe, talk to her, please, babe. Babe. Give me a minute, babe. Give me a minute.
For her injuries on her
I
neck.
can't touch her, bro. Bro, no. No.
Stop.
Bro, give me an ambulance, bro. Give me an ambulance right now, bro. I'm finna crash out, bro.
Stop.
I'm finna crash out.
Attention. Stop.
I'm finna crash out, bro. Stop. I'm finna crash out, bro.
Victor 3, we'll take one more car down here.
Huh? What'd you say?
We're getting more cars here.
No, fool. You good. Can I get some water at least, bro?
Some water at the pee. Come on, get you some water at the pee. Come on.
What y'all doing? Let me go to one?
You see a judge.
Fuck. What?
You see a judge. You got anything on you? We're good. You got anything on you? Hey, you got anything on you that'll stick me, poke me, or prod me?
I'm talking to you. Take me out to the station, bro.
Oh, yeah, we will.
Get me out to the station.
You got anything that'll stick me, poke me, prod me?
Get me out to the station, bro.
Any guns, knives, bazookas?
Oh, no, I got a gun on me, bro. I got a gun on me, bro.
Before I search everybody ass.
I got a gun on me. All that's tweaking, bro. Damn, fool.
Got a dollar bill in there.
Yeah, I got a dollar bill.
Yep.
Damn,
No,
fool.
I'm gonna transfer for you, alright?
Man, me not got to see a judge, bro.
You an ambulance?
Yeah, I want to have a
Alright,
take me to the hotel. I mean,
We'll get one at
the
the PD.
What?
We'll get one at the PD.
That's the PD. We ain't at the PD.
So we gotta go.
I don't know, there's no PD, bro.
What do you got here?
Let me see. What is it? Let's take it out, son.
We got nothing.
Other shit, bro.
Let's say damn.
Damn, fuck. Y'all overdoing it right now. Don't take 8 of y'all.
Have a seat.
Damn, hurry up and get me to the hospital, fuck. That's fine.
Just letting you know.
I did this multiple times, officer.
Alright.
What do you need an ambulance for so we know what to tell them?
What?
What do you need an ambulance for so we know what to tell them?
Have a withdrawal.
A what?
Have a withdrawal.
From what?
Have a withdrawal.
From what? They're going to ask.
Have a withdrawal, bro.
They're just having withdrawals.
Yeah, I ain't
Okay.
feeling good. I feel like I gotta throw up all type of shit. That's why
Okay.
I said I need some water. That's
Okay.
all.
Okay. So, but like drugs or what? Alcohol? They're going to ask me, my man.
Yeah.
Both?
Alcohol.
Okay. So what's going to happen is if you decide you want to go, we're going to go to the hospital with you. We're going to babysit you till you're done, and then we're going to bring you back to the PD and then bring you to DuPage County Jail.
Just take me to the county. I mean, to the office. So I can make my phone calls.
You don't want to go to the hospital?
Nah. So I go get some water and shit. I gotta throw up, bro.
Okay, that's fine.
No, bro. Take me to the station.
Grades. Officers. Grade A. Dual interview. Suspect first, victim second. Neither account contaminated the other. When the officers saw the neck injuries, probable cause was established on scene. Mandatory arrest executed per statute. The victim's objection was heard and irrelevant. That is not cruelty. That is the law. Larissa victime. Grade B+. She disclosed the injury. She cooperated throughout. She answered every question directly. Deduction. The strangulation detail came gradually, not immediately. In these cases, early disclosure matters. Under Florida Statute 784.041, pressure to the neck is sufficient. No loss of consciousness required. Milton Law suspect. Grade D. He denied physical contact, then admitted, "All I can say is I grabbed her." Those two statements cannot coexist. The second one is the one that matters in court. He is on probation. Under 748.06, a new arrest triggers a VOP. Automatic, no exceptions. And then, on camera, in custody, "I got a gun on me, bro." That exchange is now part of the case file. The D is for all of it. Lessons. 1. Neck contact with visible injury equals felony in Florida, not a misdemeanor, a third-degree felony. 2. Visible injury removes officer discretion. The mandatory arrest statute does not bend for victim preference. 3. Being on probation doubles the exposure. A new arrest creates 2 separate proceedings. 4. Anything said after arrest is documented. On a rolling body cam, it becomes Exhibit A. If this breakdown was useful, subscribe. New case every week. Drop a comment. Should the gun threat be charged separately? And what happens to the VOP? We'll see you in the next one.